Hey guys, it's Sergio.
And Sheila.
And we are the Sergio and Sheila Real Estate Group, your Dallas luxury experts, coming soon to a closing near you.
That's right. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If it's your first time to the channel and you enjoy watching home tours and learning all things real estate, we would like to personally invite you to our YouTube family by subscribing. So please make sure to subscribe down below.
Okay, so today we are in Dallas, only 5 minutes from Lakewood Country Club, 4 blocks away from Lower Greenville Avenue, and 8 minutes to downtown Dallas. Sheila, give us more specifics on this one.
Yes, it's built in 2023. It's a 4-bedroom, 3.1 baths. It's a 2-car garage. It's 3,486 square feet. It's currently listed at $1,675,000, which is $480 price per square foot, and it's sitting on a 0.09 acre lot, which is roughly 4,100 square feet. So very small lot, but it's a lot.
They fit a lot on this in this lot, but it's awesome. But I want to add that in this highly competitive real estate market, it's so important who you choose to partner with to represent you in any real estate transaction. When you're choosing to partner with us, you're choosing the #1 luxury broker in Dallas, you're choosing true market experts, and a proven winning team. Enough about that. The reason why we're all here, let's check out the property.
Enjoy the music and enjoy the tour.
Again.
Well, there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Down below, we have more information about the property. And if you're interested in viewing the property, please make sure to reach out to us.
Hey, perhaps you're in the market to sell your house for top dollar in today's market. Maybe you're relocating to the Dallas area. We can help you with all your buyer or seller needs. All you need to do is schedule a consultation call by clicking on one of the links down below.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps with the channel.
And as always, remember to follow us on Instagram at Sergio and Sheila. I'd like to add that in this highly competitive real estate market, it's so important who you choose to partner with to represent you in any real estate transaction. So when you're choosing to partner with us, you're choosing the #1 luxury broker in Dallas, you're choosing true market experts, and a proven winning team. Guys, thank you so much for watching.
See you guys next time.